Hey there, welcome to the Linescapes channel. We are Sonia and Gasper, two landscape architects, and we use drawing every day to communicate with other people and explore our environment. Have you ever observed a beautiful view of a landscape or sat in a cafe in a vivid square and thought, if only I could quickly sketch it and capture this moment? Well, it's not that hard, and we will show you how to do it.
On Linescapes, you can find new videos every week on how to draw, videos of sketches from our travels, as well as talks with interesting people about the importance of drawing. You'll learn step by step how to use drawing as a tool for analyzing and understanding your environment. We'll try to improve our skills constantly and we'll share them with you in new videos every week.
So if you don't want to miss anything, subscribe to Linescapes and join our community in the mission to explore the possibilities of drawing.
And if you find our videos helpful and want to keep them coming, you can also support us on Patreon.
You know what to do? Grab a sketchbook and let's start drawing.